In today's video, I will walk you through how to find QR code on Metatrader 5. To find it, start by opening Metatrader 5 on your desktop. Once the platform is open, go to the File menu at the top of the window. From there, select either Open an account or Log in to Trade account, depending on whether you're adding a new account or signing in to an existing one. Next, choose your broker's server from the list that's displayed. After selecting the correct server, continue to the login window and enter your account credentials. Once you've entered the required details and confirmed them, many broker versions of Metatrader 5 will display a QR code directly inside the login or connection window. This is the QR code you can scan using the Metatrader 5 mobile app to connect your account automatically. If you close the window before scanning the code, simply return to the File menu and repeat the same steps. The QR code will appear again during the connection process. Keep in mind that this QR code only appears while you're connecting your account. It isn't stored anywhere on your computer, so you won't find it in your Metatrader 5 folders or any other location after the window has been closed. If you don't see a QR code at all, that doesn't necessarily mean there's a problem. Not every broker or Metatrader 5 version supports QR login. If that's the case, update both your desktop version of Metatrader 5 and the mobile app to the latest available versions. Also, make sure you've selected the exact server provided by your broker, since some broker versions may not include the QR code feature. If the QR code still doesn't appear, you can simply log in manually by entering your account number, password, and server. This works the same way for accessing your trading account. If the QR code is available, have the Metatrader 5 mobile app open on your phone and navigate to the login screen with the scanner ready. If prompted, allow camera permission, then hold your phone steady in front of the QR code displayed on your desktop until it's successfully scanned. That's all there is to it. The QR code only appears during the desktop login or account connection process. It isn't saved as a file, and it may not be available on every broker version of Metatrader 5. Thank you for watching.